God, no. Get over here and read this dialogue thing. What do you have in your hand, Jay? Let's freaking go!
Okay, I'm not gonna get you with a snowball.
It's not gonna throw me down. No! Noah is recording for something. Can you see it? What? No. Shit! What? Can you read it? I did! And no. I mean, no, because it... Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Are you serious?
Is it taping there?
Yeah.
Oh my God, yes! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Did you know this? Oh my God! Oh my God! Yes! I'm engaged. Oh, I'm so happy.
So what happened?
You want me to tell you everything?
You're telling America.
They made me walk up this mountain and they wrote, "Will you marry me?" And I didn't believe it. I'm like shaking right now because I'm so happy. It is like the happiest day of my life. Seriously. Because I love you.
I love you too, baby.
I'm so happy. And that's it. Stop recording because I'm just crying.
Still shaking, but of course she said yes.
Of course. Oh my God, look at that. Oh my God, it's beautiful. I love you so
Looks
much.
so much bigger on the video, but yeah. Love you, baby.
So much. Oh my God, yes. Oh my God.
Yeah, you done, Mama?
Yes. Yeah. Oh my God. You knew, Dana?
In the snow.
Oh my God. I can't believe this. I can't. I'm like shaking. Oh my God. Yes.
All right.
Like 1,000 times yes.